Hi, hope you guys are doing well. So today we will be looking at the build modifier. So at the start you can see that it's just, when I apply the build modifier by going to the modifier tab, it just vanishes my cube. Before we continue, please consider subscribing. Only 9% of you are actually subscribed. My goal is to reach 2.5k subs by the end of this year, and drop a like and a comment while you're at it. Just mentions I'll just tap into it mode. My cube is still here, and I'll just subdivide it so that we can look at it in a better way. So once I start, as you can see, it's still invisible, but once I hit play, you can see that it's starting to appear piece by piece, or face by face in this case. And it can be obviously used for one of those cool videos where you see online with stuff appearing and disappearing and stuff like that. So it is useful for that. It has a niche use for that, but you can obviously do some other stuff with it as well. So the first thing is actually tells you what start frame do you want and how much length of the animation do you want. As you can see on frame 100, it says from 100 over here and start from 1. So in frame 101, it actually completes the cube. Okay, and if I change the length to something like 50, let's just 50, so it's going to start on frame 1 and end on frame 51. As you can see on frame 51 it is still complete. I'll just show in the wireframe mode, but as soon as I start going back, it actually starts removing our face. Okay, so now it can also be reversed. Basically, if you want something to disappear, it can also reverse from that, and you can also just randomize it. This is how you would see the length of the animation, and this is you tell the start frame. You don't have to start on the first frame. I can just start from the, let's just say, frame 24th, and you have to be calculating. So I just want the length to be 24 frames. That means on 48th frame it will actually finish the animation. So there's that, and you can also randomize. The randomize seed basically makes it so that it doesn't appear just uniformly. Okay, you can see the randomly appearing, but if I turn off randomize, they actually work in a sort of a sequence, or that we can understand. It is niche, but it is useful if you just want to showcase some of your models. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and watch another one of my videos, as that's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.